Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin header on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right here on my Wix website editor, you can see here my header. So what we can do is we can actually just head over and click on that specific header. And then you should be able to see this header scroll setting. So this is also the gear icon that you can see right here. So just click on that. And then in here, you can see options like when visitors scroll, the header scrolls with site, freezes, disappears, or fades out. So for this one, we want it to freeze since we want it pinned. So let's click on this freezes right here. And just like that, it will freeze when we scroll down the site. So as you can see right now, you can see that for now, but we need to preview it in order to see what it will look like. So let's just wait for this right here in order to give us the preview. And then in here, we should be able to see what it looks like. So this is the preview of our site. So in here, this is the header. So when you scroll down of your site, as you can see, it is pinned and it is freeze. However, or whenever we scroll down, so we can always see the header and we can always see it. And whenever we scroll the site or change the menu, we can still see what it looks like. So you can now head over and publish it to your site if you're satisfied with everything. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to pin header on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe as it helps me reach more people. See you soon.